How to install NFS most wanted Redux V3. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So this isn't just a mod, it's a complete overhaul of NFS most wanted. Picture over 100 customizable cards, crystal clear HD reflections, immersive new engine sounds, enhanced lighting and dynamic camera angles. Stick around to the end because I'm going to walk you through how to install this epic mod flawlessly. Before we dive in, make sure you have a clean, unmodded copy of Need for Speed Most Wanted version 1.3. If you have got any old mods, delete them and ensure there's no script folder in your game directory. So step 1 is install the version 3 mod Redux. Head to the link in the description to download the NFS Most Wanted Redux version 3. That's the zip file. Once it's downloaded, right click the zip and extract it using Win, RAR or 7-zip. This might take a couple of minutes. When it's done, open the extracted Redux version 3 folder, copy all the files and paste them into your NFS Most Wanted installation directory. When prompted, hit replace to override the existing files. Now let's talk about the step 2, that's fine-tuning graphics. Inside the script folder, you will find several .ini files to tweak your game. Open the NFS Most Wanted widescreen fix file. Set your resolution to 1920 to 1080 for full HD and everything is shown you on the screen, so set the resolution as it is. So when you launch, create a new profile to access all the new car modes. In the in-game video settings, you don't need to mess with resolution or full screen mode. Those are handled by the scripts. Everything else is set to max quality by default, but feel free to lower settings if you need a performance boost. Double check your key bindings to make sure they are set to your likings. All your settings will be saved in an .ini file in the game folder. So every profile uses the same setup. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.